For anyone struggling with high energy bills, do not turn off another light bulb until you see this. That's because this new DIY energy device can generate endless energy to power your home, trailer, or cottage, something not possible until now. It's so easy that you can build it at home as soon as today. If you don't want to keep relying on unstable power grids, or just tired of relying on the big energy companies, then listen up. A leading engineer from Kentucky just revealed a breakthrough device that not only gives you energy independence with clean energy to power your home naturally, but also allows you to create your own personal power source. This DIY energy device provides the most reliable, off-the-grid energy source that you can use, especially in cases of emergency. It's completely disaster-proof, portable, and lightweight, and you can power anything in your home without paying any electric bill. And the best part is, it's so easy and you can make it at home without spending thousands on solar panels or fueling up a noisy generator. This DIY energy device has already helped 17,000 people achieve energy independence, overcome disasters such as hurricanes, snowstorms, and floods, and even saved them tons of expenses on electric bills. If it already worked for them, imagine how you would feel when it works for you too. So I recommend you stop what you're doing and click the Watch More button below to see a short free video showing exactly what this device is and how it works. Remember, this DIY energy device has nothing to do with solar panels or any expensive energy alternatives. It can power your home, cottage, or trailer and can even be used while you're camping. Even 70-year-old folks who struggle to use a computer for the past 7 years can easily build this energy device and generate endless power for their family. Just imagine no more depending on unstable power supply. No more worrying about blackouts and the hardships they put on your family. Best of all, you'll save on high electric bills every single month, allowing you to travel around the world with your family again. But you must hurry. The big energy companies have already removed this video from the internet twice this month to protect their profits, so it's uncertain how long this video will remain available. Click on the Watch More button below right now before it's too late.